What's up, guys? Wait, what's up, guys? Carthania here on the Sarf channel. I'm record this on the Sarf channel, or it's gonna be uploaded on the Sarf channel. My bad. As you can see, Arcadom is taking full force at Arcadom City. Now, Arcadom City never gets snow. They never have, except one time. But that was like, what? I don't know. It was probably like a year ago. About a year ago. Yeah. I'm just kidding, man. But yeah, it was a year ago. And it was only like 15 degrees when they had snow here. But right now it's 9 degrees in Arcadom City. And there's a blizzard going on. Arcadom City has never had a blizzard. They have never had a blizzard. The winds are going 50 miles per hour. Can you freaking believe that, man? Holy funk. It probably don't sound like it. It probably don't look like it. But as you see, the snow is going kind of like diagonal. That's how it is in Arcadom too. I don't know if it could change directions. I mean, it changes directions when you turn. But yeah, Arcadom is doing all this stuff. They're sending out particles. All the particles are going out to other random places. Let me show you guys on the map. And yeah, it probably looks like I've been editing this, but excuse me, I have to get on Paint AF. So that's what it is. That's what it looks like right now. Arcadom City is right here. It's the capital right here. The Black Star. And yeah, it's getting the heaviest snow. And that's crazy. So Arcadom, it's not far away from Arcadom City. Not that much. But you can see all of that snow over here. But yeah, people said that the Arcadom blast, it's been going on for about 5 days, something like that. I think 5 days. Reason why this is happening because the alpha plaque, the space team thinks the alpha plaque is causing all the snow hitting, and yeah. Oh, that's my stomach AF. Stomach's growling like a fathead. Anyways, that's it, I guess. Yeah, the alpha plaque, we're trying to get rid of it pretty soon to stop it from doing this. And yeah, I guess see you guys next time, and I'll see you guys later.